this is Doug from Doug and Nikki. Now I'm here in the outdoor testing studio where you may have seen I test a ton of RC cars, stand-up paddle boards, bikes, skis, anything that you could attach a GoPro to, I've attached it to it. So in any case, I needed, like most of us, the most precious adapter that we all have is that straight one, right? And you have to stick like 5 together. And I saw these and I was like, ooh, this is so cool. They're nice and long. They look nice and solid, which was really cool. Let's take a look at them. I'll show you what they actually look like in your hand. Check these out. How cool are those? Look at this one's like the full length of my hand. And these are really nice in that they have like a built-in threaded piece there instead of like one of those nuts that eventually pop out. They thread in really nice. Everything is the correct size, which seems like not so much to ask, but you would be surprised how many times I get these off-brand things and they don't fit together. These fit together just fine. I am thrilled. Comes with these 3 pieces. I mean, look, how crazy is this? I could so easily, with just 3 pieces, put this on the top of something and I got this great angle going for it. Anyway, I really like these. I'm going to give them a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.